Now I'm gonna show you how you can change a background like this to a nice background like this using simple steps. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to Google or any browser that you prefer, and you're just gonna write studio background R like this, then enter. We're trying to get a background that's nice, so we're gonna click images, and then from here now you can see some nice backgrounds that you can use, and most of them are made by AI, so you're just gonna pick the one you would like to use. Like for this, for example, this one that you saw in the video, and you're gonna click what options, then save image. But because I have it, I'm not gonna save it. Okay, like that. Then we're gonna go to CapCut, and then now when you're in CapCut, you add your footage first. You can see the footage that you added is on cover, but you wanna use your image under the thing, under the footage. So you're gonna put the footage here like this, then you click this one, you put it up, then automatically your image is gonna go down. Then you wanna make sure you wanna extend it to the full length of the video like this, and then now we're gonna click background remover, auto background remover like this, and then voila, the background is gone. I didn't skip anything, just that like this is a bit faster. See, like this, the background is gone. But now we're gonna want to, so I wanna make our footage look like it's a bit real. See, like this, it's still good, but you're gonna wanna add what I call a custom adjustment. And then you extend it to the full length of the video, and then from here you can say auto adjust, and then color match. Just wanna choose any color that I like from here, then okay, and then now intensity you turn it down a bit, then color correction like this so that it looks better. You see, now the background doesn't look so bad. Follow for more.